Hello, I just got in the most incredible order from Commence and I think that you guys are gonna love it. Let's try it on. Okay, starting this try on off strong with this matching set. You guys, I'm so in love with this. It's a cropped sweater that tucks in or just can be worn like loosely out to a sweater maxi skirt. So chic. I think this would be so gorgeous for anything you're doing this winter season. I would wear this to a holiday party. I love it paired with black boots, some silver accessories. It is just so adorable. I'm wearing a medium and it fits true to size. And they both come together, which I love. This next look is a more casual look. I love a look like this for cold winter days. You guys, this cardigan is so cute. How amazing would this be on like a ski trip? Wearing it belted with some leggings. I'm obsessed. Styled it with this black like muck neck sweater. You guys, I love this. This is just going to be a staple in my closet. The price point is so good. Jeans, these are really nice dark wash denim. The fit is incredible. I'm wearing a medium. They definitely run, I think, a little bit big. I probably could have done a small, but I do love the flare at the bottom. I just feel like they're super chic and very easy to style. This is one of my favorite looks. Sweater and faux leather short combination. You guys, this is so cute. I love this for a holiday party. I love the asymmetrical waist. I just feel like that's very chic. These shorts are super cute. They're like a dark burgundy color. The fit is perfect. I love the length. I'm wearing a medium in both and they fit true to size. So beautiful. If you have a holiday party coming up, I think this is so perfect. I also think this would be so perfect for a wedding. I love the top. It's nice and flowy, but then it's fitted through the bottom area, but then it's sheer at the bottom, which I just feel like is so chic, very elevated and on trend for right now. I did this in a medium and the fit is perfect. I'm obsessed with this piece. All right, next is a more casual look. You guys, I am so obsessed with this outfit. This is a satin bodysuit, which I love. Definitely has a deep V, so I used like the jeans to kind of tuck it and keep it closed. This belt is super chic and cute, styled with this shirt. I just put it over top of these jeans, and you guys, these jeans are incredible. Holy cow, I'm going to wear them all the time. Did a medium in these, and then I also did a medium in the bodysuit. I'm obsessed. Last look of this haul are these jeans. You guys, you're going to love them. The crisscross detail is so flattering. These ones are stretchy, which is awesome. I'm wearing a medium in these as well. The fit is great. They're definitely a little oversized, but I think that's just the style. I styled them with the same black turtleneck I shared with another look, and this is just an outfit that I will wear again and again. As a wrap on my haul with Commence, let me know in the comments which item was your favorite. I'm seriously blown away by everything. Also, let me know if you want links to anything.